I'm bringing to you another video for today. I'm feeling very optimistic today. This week and last week has been very challenging for me. Uh, it has been very challenging for me trading wise. I have seen the target for a few stocks, Meta, Palantir, Ether stock. I have seen targets for a few of those stocks, and they haven't hit it the way that I thought. I guess that's a teaching lesson. Your target is not always going to be hit the way you think it'll be hit, and it may not be hit in the timely fashion that you think it'll be hit either. So you really have to just keep learning and keep learning and keep learning and keep relearning when it comes to trading. Today I'm bringing IBM stock. It caught my attention. The one day, sorry, all these other indicators I'm experimenting with, but let's just talk about the ones that I'm certain of or have a high or feel comfortable with for right now, especially sharing with you all. So with IBM, I'm still learning, as I said. That's why I'm kind of um, experimenting with other indicators. But for right now, I'm sticking with these two, which is the moving averages. I see the 21-day moving average is below the 200-day on the 1 day, which is not a bullish sign. And on top of it, this purple momentum line is below the average line, which is not bullish either. So you're probably saying, what is it? The momentum line is in that 30 area, 32 area. So it caught my eye. And IBM, international business. It's one of the top business companies in the world. So I have my eye on it. So that 1 day momentum is in that 30 area. So it piqued my interest, not fully for an entry, but it piqued my interest. But then as I zoomed in, I saw that the 6 hour has that momentum above the average line. So it's in that 26 area and it's above the average line. So we have one of two bullish scenarios on the 6 hour time frame. This 21-day moving average is below the 200-day moving average, so that's not bearish. So we have one out of the two on the 6 hour. I went into the 4 hour. That momentum line still is above the average line. And this 21-day is below the 200-day. Let's go into the 2 hour. That momentum line again is above that average line, and it's in that 30 area. One of two things. That 21-day moving average is below the 200 days, so that's bearish. But that momentum line, the RSI being above the average line, has piqued my interest. So what I am looking at here is how this 1 hour, because the momentum line is above this average line here on the 1 hour as well. And it's in that 40 area. So I am looking to see how it gets to that 70 area for an exit. Let's see if there's anything on the 45-minute, 30-minute, the 20-minute, let's see, no. The 15-minute, no. Let's see. The 7-minute. I don't see the 21-day moving average above the 200-day moving average anywhere. But IBM is on my radar. Also because, one more thing before I let you guys go. I also see swing down here under price action. And then swing up here, it lining up under the RSI. And that is technically a bullish divergence. And divergences I try to stay away from because sometimes they don't pan out. Divergences aren't something to place all your cards in one basket for, place all your eggs in one basket for. But I do also think that not only do we have strong bullish divergence, but we do have a fallen wedge pattern here, which broke out. Which broke out. All right. So I'm looking to see how it gets to that target of 290. Let's just remember, trading is 65% probability. It's not 100% going to pan out. So I'm looking to see where IBM goes from here, even though the 1 day is not in favor. I'm looking to see how this 1 hour, which is a smaller part of the story, plays within that 4 hour and the 6 hour. Well, happy weekend, you guys. Today is the 17th, July 17th, 2026. Happy weekend. Let's keep chipping away. Have a great day. See you in the next video, most likely on Monday.